This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on the accessibility shortcut that provides an on-screen home key. Open Settings, then Accessibility and find Interaction or Accessibility menu. Tap the toggle to enable it and accept the permission prompts. This lets the system draw a floating control. Once done, you'll see a small button or menu icon. That's your temporary home button. You use it because it avoids rooting and restores core navigation quickly, and it's reversible if you want the original gestures back. Continue by customizing what the floating control does so it behaves like your original home button. Tap the on-screen icon, choose its settings, and assign home to a single press. Set back or recent to long press if desired. Make sure to adjust size and opacity so it's unobtrusive but reachable. Once configured, test each action to confirm it triggers the expected navigation. You do this to match muscle memory and avoid accidental taps while preserving full functionality. Finish by positioning and locking the floating home button so it stays where you expect. Drag it to an edge or corner, then lock or confirm preferences in the accessibility menu. Test in several apps and on the lock screen to ensure consistency. If the button disappears or doesn't respond, restart the device, then clear the accessibility or system UI cache and toggle the feature off and on. That fix resolves most permission or process conflicts. If problems persist, check for OS updates or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.